Good afternoon. With my co-teachers seminar on Matatag Curriculum Grade 8, may I request please okay, ang one is bored. Bored kayo tapos kumain. And then, comfortable, number 2. And number 3, focus. So, you are ready to listen with us. Okay, and number 4, stress. And number 5, overloaded. Overloaded is more information na na-share ng ating mga kasamahang guro. Okay. Sige. So, babasahin mo na. Okay, our topic is discussion on select difficult to learn, teach, learning competencies. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, it's all about the science. But then, my co-teachers, wala silang nakuha na slide, tatlo na kami ang gagamit nito mamaya sa activity na ibibigay namin sa inyo. English, Filipino, and Science. Okay, so we have 5 objectives in our topic. First is compare and contrast. Okay. Adding to it is from all curriculum, maraming performance tasks ang i-assign sa akin. But then, in the yung content standards K to 12, merong 3, and the same time, dito naman sa most essential, 5, and the same with the Matatag curriculum. So there's a similarity sa content standards from most essential learning competencies and Matatag, they are also similar. But then, the most learning areas in Matatag curriculum are discontested. Lesson exemplar in different learning areas sa Filipino or Science, Math, and English. So, ito na siya. So, may activity prior knowledge, establishing lesson purpose, unlocking content vocabulary, developing and defining understanding, expectation, work example discovery, and lesson activity or drill. So, drill sa math, no, or sa English also. Making generalization and evaluating learning. From schemas, assimilation, and accumulation based on the pictures presented. Ma'am Alchi?
Tatlo man sila, ma'am. Kini schemas.
Assimilation dog.
Ang bata nag-focus. Ang idol mo kung exact ang answer.
Okay, may I request another one to explain? Oh.
Because ang schema na ako sa siyang mind, I think, gina-process pa sa bata. And I think this assimilation is na-recognize na sa bata. Ang accommodation is how to care na nakuanan sa bata ang i-accommodate na niya ang dog. I think that is my understanding about it.
Compact. Thank you, sir. Okay. So, schema is, kumbaga, based on the picture, kung makikita niyo, yung mag-ama, nagkukwento siya sa bata. So, hindi na kailangan ikwento mo, kailangan magpakita ka ng real object. So, kaya, nandyan ang aso. Yan. And then, yan ang assimilation, yun ang schema, and then yun ang accumulation. Okay. So, hindi na tayo dito sa branches or competency in teaching science. So, are you agree, teachers? All discovery learning is intended for science subject. Are you agree? Sa discovery learning. So, for me, as a science teacher, so, every time na mayroon tayong observation, we need to integrate in all learning areas sa makaya na to, no? Okay, so, discovery learning encourages students to explore and investigate concepts independently or in group, fostering critical thinking and deeper understanding of scientific principles. This hands-on approach allows learners to construct their own knowledge through experimentation library. Okay, based on the presentation of grade 3 teachers, so balik-balik lang, no, basta in terms of sciences. Okay. Differentiated instructions in all learning areas, di ba? So we need to have a differentiated instructions so that we can cater all learners, no? Kaya mayroon tayong iba-iba din activities given to them. And then, problem-based learning, ito din sa pangatlo, science, technology, society approach, and interdisciplinary approach. Okay. So, at this moment, Ma'am Geraldine and Ma'am Judy will distribute an activity. So, the instruction is, Ma'am, meron tayong sample dito, yan. Yan i-complete nyo. You are provided a competency, Filipino, English, and Science. Meron din kayo, ibig sagot ma'am.